What's up? What's up, guys? CodyBlocks here, and today a new update has came out in Toilet Tower Defense. The new Titan Cameraman, new Lucky Speaker Man, and Leprechaun Cameraman Legend. But that's not what we're here for today. You read the titles. Today, I have not a new unit. This came out a really long time ago. Enough gems, so much I can't buy that crate. This came out a long time ago. The Large Firework Cameraman. And today, we're not using the upgrade Titan Cameraman. We're not using the upgrade Titan Drill Man. Now, they do too much damage. We're not even allowed to use the Speaker Man. Too much. Today, we are doing the Large Firework Cameraman only challenge. Now, the rules are we can only bring units that do no damage. And the only damage unit we can do is the Large Firework Cameraman. Now, don't listen to the stats. I tested him before this. He does 16,000 DPS with 30 range. Okay? Just to make that clear. So we're going to equip him, equip Santa TV Man, and going to equip the Announcer Cameraman. Yep. And we are going to see how far we can get in endless mode. So subscribe if you think we're gonna make it past round 40, and let's see how good we. Okay, we are in, guys. Boom. We are in the new endless mode map. We have our announcer. We have the large firework. And yeah, this is all chained up. The octopus is gone for some reason. We need to skip more so that we can eventually place our large firework cameraman. We can let the small toilets get by, but that is it. We need to place our large firework cameraman, or else we are going to lose. And 3, 2, 1, placed. Here he is. So 800 damage every 2 seconds. We're going to place our final Santa TV Man. And because he does the splash damage, his 2 seconds cooldown is good. Boom. We've upgraded the large firework cameraman again. Oh, this isn't looking good. Yeah. Something got out of his range. But now we are going to place the announcer cameraman. And we are going to skip and upgrade him once. So he has a 1.88 cooldown. Hopefully soon he starts to get upgraded. And he is going to be doing insanely well. We're going to start upgrading our Santa TV Mans more. Skipping the waves. Upgrading the Santa TVs. We're just going to keep making that dummy shmoney. We are going to keep making that dummy shmoney. How far do you think we're going to make it? Predict in the comments. Don't cheat. Let's go. Because of his splash, he is destroying these toilets. Let's upgrade the large firework cameraman. He now has a 0.9 second cooldown. He is doing very well. He has his blasters. What does it say? He's got minus 0.1% cooldown. We'll skip again. Guys, sorry I cut the video. My mum was asking me if I wanted toast. Of course I wanted toast. Let's skip the wave. We're gonna upgrade the large firework cameraman. So I feel like that's what we should do at this very moment. Gonna skip the wave again. I feel like the cooldown should have been lower, right? Anyways, upgrade him. Oh, that is the max level. We have max leveled the announcer cameraman. We have a large firework cameraman down. We are doing very good, actually, with this guy. He is destroying these toilets. These toilets do not stand a chance against my large firework cameraman. His splash really does not disappoint. The cooldown should be lower, I think. Actually, no, I think it's supposed to be that, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna upgrade the Santas. Do that. He is clogging these toilets. The toilets don't stand a chance. If we hit 30 subscribers when I upload this video, we have 30 subscribers. Next video will be about Balloons TD6. Yes, we are going to make a Balloons TD6 video. I've been playing that game a lot recently, and it is a good game actually. Let's upgrade our Santas, then bam. These toilets are getting cooked. 0.4 second cooldown, 5,000 damage, so much. Boom, upgrade him again. We are making so much money. Hold on. Can you stack mountains in this game? Just trying to test it. No, I think it might. Just checking. Need to skip again so that we can max level the large firework cameraman. Let's go. 16,000 should be 20,000, and now he is. Sorry, my brother just completely trolled me, so I had to cut the video because I don't want to be trolled in 4K on my own channel. So yeah, because I'm having toast. He was offering me a flapjack. I was going to take it. I said, thank you, Harley. And then he took the flapjack off me and said, you're having toast. You can't have that. And it was a big troll. Come on. Thank you. Gave me the money. We are cooking with this single large firework camera. We are going to place another one of these guys. Single maxed out guys actually putting in heavy duty work. These guys are so much better than these people. We are cooking. His 16,000 DPS, as you can see, 8 times 2. Actually, no, since it's 0.4 second cooldown instead of 0.5 second, it's even more than that. So his near 16,000 DPS makes him one of the strongest units in the game. I really wish we had a green laser cameraman to slow down the enemies at this very point in time. Because I genuinely do not know if we're going to be able to defeat the flying buzzsaw toilet. So many toilets are coming. Lucky thing the splash attacks so much toilets at once. Let's upgrade. We are getting lots of dummy money. The income we're getting is insane. We skipped. We should kill all of these and then have enough money to max out one more. And then we should be able to hopefully defeat the flying doll buzzsaw toilet. Yep, he's coming now. Yeah, we are shredding these toilets, bro. They're barely making it anywhere, bro. We're shredding. Yeah, we don't have to worry about other toilets stopping them from attacking because, well, look at them. Please. Not good, not good, not good. Not good, not good. I have to place one over here. I don't know if that's going to be enough. No. Oh. Yep, we lost. GG's. Oh. No way we survived, bro. That was insane. That clutch was insane. I just got toast. So, yeah, crunching, that's why. I now have toast. Let's place more large fireworks. We are doing insanely good. We are gonna cook the giant blind toilets. If only the flying door buzzsaw well, it was that speed, we would have been able to defeat him. I don't know if we're going to be making it that much further though. Yeah, great. Destroy him and destroy these guys. Yep. Cut them. Come on. I need this upgrade. Please. Yes, I upgraded him. Actually, I'm going to make a community tab poll. on what you guys think my next video should be about. I'm going to have a couple options. It's going to be, I believe, new St. Patrick's Day update and toilet tower defense, Balloons TD6 video, another Minecraft video, toilet tower defense but with my brother, or what have I been playing a lot of recently? Or Geometry Dash. Please, bro. Yeah. Get an answer. Yes! We did it! We did it. Okay. We are good. We are cooking, bro. In backlines, we are cooking. These toilets are being cooked so much that they're becoming roast skibbity. Cat toilets. This might be the end of us. Please don't be the end of us. It's the end of us. Wow. Round 38. That's insane. Do I have clovers? Do I have enough clovers for a crate? Nope. But what I do have enough of something for is an exclusive injured Titan crate. Oh, I forgot to claim my rocket cameraman that I absolutely don't need. I got a toxic. Cool. Amazing. Let's go to the summon area. If I hit the godly, then we're gonna hit 50 subscribers in March. Okay, we got an epic. That's a good sign. Our first one wasn't a basic, or our second one. Our third one was a basic. I don't know why it's called common in this game. Always confused me. And it's always bad luck whenever the last summon you get is a basic, so good thing it didn't happen this time. So that's the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Trust me, Large Firework Cameraman is a lot better once you pair him with things like Scientist, TV Man, Green Lasers and Upgrade Titan Drill. And seriously, I nearly made it to wave 50 on endless mode with an inventory that looks something like this. Oh, it is exactly this. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye. Oh, sorry,